बच्चों, today we are starting the part 4 of the chapter cell, and in this we'll be studying few cell organelles. Let us see what are the contents. The contents are cytoplasm, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus and lysosomes. Cytoplasm, it is that part of the cell which is found in between the plasma membrane and the nuclear membrane. And in the cytoplasm, all the cell organelles are found. With that, there are various inorganic and organic compounds also which are found there. And there are also those molecules which are required for the various cellular processes. They are also found in the cytoplasm. The function of cytoplasm is that it keeps the various cell organelles in its place. Endoplasmic reticulum. Now, endoplasmic reticulum is a tubular part and it is a double membranous structure. A very peculiar thing about the endoplasmic reticulum is that it is connected from one side to the nuclear membrane and on the other side to the plasma membrane. And it is of two types, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. On the rough endoplasmic reticulum, there are ribosomes which are found. So if this is the rough endoplasmic reticulum, so on that the ribosomes are found. While in case of smooth endoplasmic reticulum, there are no ribosomes on it. Now, what is the function of endoplasmic reticulum? The most important function of endoplasmic reticulum is transportation. It helps in the transportation. So it works just like the roads in a town. And through these roads, transportation occurs. Similarly, these tubular parts in the cell, they help in the transportation of proteins and fats. And it also synthesizes protein and fats. Protein because there are ribosomes on it. So we say that endoplasmic reticulum also takes part in it. Then it helps in biogenesis. Now this is a very important function of it. Biogenesis means to make those substances which are required to make cell membrane in it. So it helps in the generation of the biomolecules which are required in the building of cell membrane. It also helps in the formation of enzymes and hormones, right? Then it provides surface for various biochemical activities. We can very easily understand this, that because it has got such a big surface area because of these tubules, that is why this surface area, it is needed for the various biochemical processes to occur. So it kind of gives a substrate for the biochemical processes. Now, it also helps in the detoxification in the liver cells. Okay, so if we rewind it, if we revise it, the most important thing in the functioning of the endoplasmic reticulum is transport, biogenesis, formation of enzymes and hormones, and providing surface area for biochemical activities and detoxification. These are the most important functions of endoplasmic reticulum. This is how endoplasmic reticulum looks like. Here you can see rough endoplasmic reticulum helps in synthesis. Remember one thing, that on rough endoplasmic reticulum there are ribosomes which helps in protein synthesis. So rough endoplasmic reticulum you can correlate with synthesis. Then SER or smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in detoxification related to liver. And if you see the diagram over here, this is the nucleus, and inside this nucleus there are pores, and from one side the endoplasmic reticulum is connected to it. There are folds in it, there is a lot of surface area in it, There are ribosomes attached to it. Golgi apparatus, a very important cell organelle. It is found mostly near the nucleus, and Golgi apparatus you can very easily correlate with a factory. Now, how we can say that it is a factory? It is a factory because in this, the raw materials, it comes, it gets stored. Then it is uh, packaged, and then it is dispatched. Stored, packaged, and dispatched. Just like a factory. You can also imagine a parcel being packed, right? Storing a parcel being packed, and that parcel is taken to that place where it is required. That is the most important function of Golgi apparatus. The second thing which is associated with it is the formation of lysosomes. So you can see over here the Golgi apparatus in which there are cisterns. These are membrane bound vesicles which are arranged in stacks, and these stacks are called cisterns. They are connected to endoplasmic reticulum because endoplasmic reticulum, it synthesizes material. After the synthesis of these materials, they come to the Golgi apparatus for the packaging and for the dispatch, right? Lysosomes. Now, lysosomes, the most important thing about lysosomes is that they are called suicidal bags. Remember this name of lysosomes. They are suicidal bags because they contain powerful digestive enzymes, and these enzymes helps in the removal of the waste from the cell, and these lysosomes, they are also responsible for the digestion of the cell in which it is found during the starvation period. तो अगर हम भूखे रहेंगे तो हमारी सेल्स को कौन डाइजेस्ट करेगा? लाइसोसोम्स डाइजेस्ट कर देंगे उस सेल को. So this completes today's session. I hope you must have understood it very nicely.